Samsung is introducing Samsung Galaxy A04 4GB packed with 4GB RAM and huge storage. Samsung is introducing the new A04 smartphone with RAM capacity of 4GB. As soon as the phone is released, it will be available in a price range that is affordable to most people. Samsung is leveraging its existing manufacturing capabilities and components to create a more affordable smartphone. By including 4GB of RAM and 64GB memory in the A04, they are providing users with enough power and memory to handle many tasks without sacrificing performance. As we will discuss, the device boasts all of the latest and most advanced specifications. It is known that Samsung's Galaxy A04 4GB will come with a massive 6.5-inch PLS LCD capacitive touchscreen display that allows the user to view content at a high resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. Besides them, there will be a selfie camera under the notch of Samsung A04 4GB to capture your self-portraits. Located on the back of the phone, there will be a dual camera of 50MP plus 2MP, which will be accompanied by an LED flash. There could be a fast fingerprint sensor located on the right side of the A04 4GB, which can be used to easily unlock the phone in a matter of seconds. As well as that, it is equipped with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage space. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy A04 has a dedicated memory card slot that allows you to expand memory up to 1 TB if you wish. The phone is equipped with the MediaTek Helio chipset and 2.35 GHz octa-core CPU, both of which are known for their incredible performance. This Samsung Galaxy's A04 4GB has a bigger 5000 mAh battery that can easily last all day on just one charge. With this Galaxy A04 4GB by Samsung, other brands will have a new competitor in the global and local markets.